I'm standing by this little stream and there are actually berries down here. Oh wow. I have some right here. There's more down there, but I can't get too close to the stream. Wow. Beautiful, clear blue skies, and walking down by the lily pads. I started to make my way back home, and I, of course, made sure to thoroughly wash the blackberries that I picked. Oh. I finally got this chicken fence thing put up to hopefully keep Porky from messing up my garden beds. And it's really nice to see that my cilantro has the little seeds popping up so that I can pull all this out and then I can just replant the seeds and have more growing. I also have a little bit more over here just laying out to dry. And I have it over here by the chilies. They're looking pretty good. And some spearmint down there as well. I have some cucumber down here. I just wanted to come and check on the garden and say hi to my neighbor's cats and just check on everything. I think he's gonna want to go bother his little sisters. Let them take a nap. Can I pet you? Pets? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna bring her another one. Oh, because she seems really hungry. I think I have 5 minutes before it starts storming again. Let me quickly go grab her another little soup. Okay, I ran and grabbed them another one. Porky, this isn't for you, it's for the babies. Oh, Porky, let her eat. Porky. His little sisters are tough, so I'm not overly concerned. And his mom's right here. Porky. The sun came out, but now it looks like it's gonna start raining again any second now. Came back to check on the blackberries and I'm surprised they're still not ready. And you can hear all the thunder. It's getting ready to storm. I gotta head back.